And I would like to invite everyone to sit comfortably and close your eyes. Let any thoughts that you have been carrying today to leave your body, to leave your mind. And inhale deeply and exhale. All the negative energies that has been holding you today on the last period are now gone. And imagine in the middle of your chest the heart chakra, your heart chakra. And inside your heart chakra there is a beautiful flame. It's a flame of your love. And now imagine this flame going all the way down to your body, all the way down to the crust of Mother Earth, and go through the crust and going through the different layers of our planet and all the way to the center, to the heart of Mother Earth. And now your flame goes around the center of Mother Earth 3 times. And now the flame goes all the way back up, slowly, into your heart chakra. And now they take the flame up, all the way up your body, your head, your crown chakra on top of your head, and all the way up into the sky, into the universe, until you reach the central sun. And now wrap your flame 3 times around the central sun. And gently take it all the way down, back in your heart chakra. And with this simple exercise, you anchor your energy between the heart of Mother Earth and the central sun. And you receive their energies. And because we are soon going to be in the new moon, it's a time of new creation. Let's imagine that our heart flame goes all the way to the moon. And we ask the moon to assist our journey of creation, to assist our intention for this new moon, and to assist the journey into the dream world, where together we're weaving beautiful dreams for a better future for us, for our children, our grandchildren, and the next 7 generations. And now we will bring back the flame into our heart. And we give thanks to Mother Earth for the abundance we receive every day, for the love we receive every day. We give thanks. Blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes.